Welcome back to another episode of Bhoot Patrol. We continue exactly where we left, where our party of adventurers and misfits came across Pradhan Haveli. For whatever personal reasons थे उनके, they decided to enter the Haveli. They met, but they also met someone else, which was एक ऐसा monstrous being, for lack of a better word, who basically kicked their butt. They all passed out and were then apparently picked up by one Kavita and Ramu Kaka, a goblin, and Kavita is a human, brought into her shop. After talking to her, they realized that Kavita तो actually जो औरत उन्हें मिली थी हवेली पर उसकी बहन है, and she is also trying to find a way to help her sister, who apparently is now a चुड़ैल. All this while, ये सारे conversation में रामू काका was being a bit sus about things, जहाँ पे now the party feels like he has something to say or some information he wants to share, but they are not sure what. कविता से ये भी समझता है कि उसकी जो बहन है, who is now चुड़ैल, किरण, उसका husband is now back in town. 8 months before, the family had abandoned the Haveli, left town, but Kiran was never seen leaving town as well. Prakash is back, and apparently he had a conversation with his friend Rehan, who is a blacksmith in the town of Prerna. The party went and talked to Rehan, met two interesting halflings, had a very small conversation with them. And Rehan did communicate with them that he did meet Prakash, but he doesn't remember the details of conversation. He met him around 2 months ago, and he did mention that Prakash is living in the northern side of the town. Now, if you would remember from the last episode, the northern side is somewhat plagued with some issues. Rihan explained better that people are having some dreams. खाना जो है वो खराब हो रहा है बहुत जल्दी, and gaps in memory. Now, Rihan also mentioned a certain book that he had seen at the Pradhan family house, at the Pradhan Haveli, back when the family used to still live there. A book which had a protruding skull on top of it. वो तभी पूछने वाला था प्रकाश को, but Prasenjit, Prakash's father, took the book away, and they just never got to talk about it. But he did feel it was odd that a family of healers के पास एक ऐसा book है जिसका leather cover है और उसके ऊपर एक skull है. Turns out, after having this conversation, Om Puri from the party has this book. He picked it up from last night's encounter with Kiran at the Pradhan Haveli. He has revealed it to the party, and he took it out. It felt very cold to the touch, and he wanted to know if उसके अंदर कुछ magic है, कुछ spells है, क्या type का vibe है उस object का. And he had rolled Arcana. And that is exactly where we had ended the episode. So now, Om Puri, I had asked you to roll Arcana. Do you remember what you had rolled?
I wrote it down. I didn't have to, but I wrote it down. You can't see it, but it was a nat 20.
Let's go!
What
I
the
had a
fuck?
feeling. That face.
Yo!
That face.
Nice.
Holy shit. First nat 20 of the game. Insane.
Awesome.
All right. So, जैसे तू ट्राई कर रहा है टू अंडरस्टैंड कि इसमें क्या मैजिक है, what kind of magic would it have, firstly, the instant you touch it, the chill that you feel, it immediately reminds you of last night, Pradhan Haveli. Now that you're looking at the book, you do get a sense of magic from this, and it is the exact same magic, the dark magic that you felt at Pradhan Haveli last night. You also felt it residual on Rihan when you were having a conversation with him. And it is also the feeling that you're getting from this book. It definitely is the exact same magic. Although it doesn't feel like this item is the origin of this magic. ये किताब में से वो magic नहीं आया है. It is the same feeling that it is probably infected by this magic and not really releasing this magic out. With the Nat 20, I would also say that you haven't opened the book, no, Avi?
No, not yet.
All right. With the Nat 20, you can also tell that the skull that is on like the leather book is not a real skull. It is like a fake skull because it looks like a human skull, but it is smaller in size. So definitely not a real skull. And just from the flavor of magic that you're getting from this, again, same thing is that this is the form of magic you have never ever sensed in your life. This is something completely new. कभी देखा नहीं है, कभी feel किया नहीं है. Exactly what you had felt last night.
Which is so weird because I was a fucking topper at my school, Arkendri Vidyalay, and surely I've been exposed to so many types of magic. I've studied about it. We had exams. I passed every one of those with flying colors, and this still feels so new. Just as I take the book out, I'm going to give a word of caution to our party members. I look towards everyone and say, थोड़ा सा बच के रहना, ये book थोड़ा extra magic वाला है. I don't want you guys to get affected by it. It's the same magic that was there at the Haveli. Book ठंडा भी है. And I look towards Dhananjay Saab as I say that. And it's quite intense. It's the same magic that I felt on Rehan as well, and it's a bit strong.
रुको, किताब खोलने से पहले 1 minute रुको. I say to him as I take a deep breath and I close my eyes and I use my channel divinity and I cast divine sense.
Okay.
And what that does is, let's see. It's a yeah. I literally had it here. For the next 10 minutes or until I'm incapacitated, I know the location of any celestials, fiends, and undead within 60 feet.
Within
And
60 feet, okay.
Yeah, and I know its creature type. And in the same radius, I also detect the presence of any place or object that has been consecrated or desecrated, as with the Hallow spell, which is like any magic to destroy things in that space within 60 feet.
What does consecrated mean?
The opposite
Like-
of desecration. I think like
Make.
like blessed with something. But desecration is like
Created with something,
Yeah,
with sort of
the action of making or declaring something sacred.
Yeah.
All right.
you have to look at the Hallow spell. It said as with the Hallow spell. So if the Hallow spell was used, which is any sort of like darkness sort of was casted, or if anything was crushed with like sort of dark spell, I can sense that in 60 feet.
Wait a minute. I'm just looking up Hallow.
So Terraria में hard
Touch a
mode में
point and infuse an area around it with holy or
Huge
unholy
description.
power.
Wow.
Yeah.
Biggest spell I've seen.
Area. So
Pause
it's
करूँ
an
क्या recording?
area wala thing. Hallow is for okay, ठीक है, fine. Yeah, works. It works with what you are trying to do and what we have also. ठीक है.
Okay, so I cast that, and essentially there's like a more glimmer in my iris now when I open my eyes. No, it doesn't glow, but there's like a little extra shine, and it will stay that way for like a few minutes, for like 10 minutes ish. And I just say कि अब अगर हमारे आसपास कुछ भी भयानक सा क्रीचर या जो भी अनमरे जीवन आएंगे मुझे पता चलेगा.
It also it also gives you information about objects as well, right? जो last line
that
था.
were consecrated or desecrated.
Yeah, exactly. All right. As soon as you cast this, you do not feel any presence 60 feet mein of any undead or fiends or celestials at all. But at the same time, the book that Om Puri has, Haath mein, it feels like a very strong like presence. Like it has a very strong presence of a certain form of dark energy. Also, give me straight up intelligence.
Mm.
Actually, no, give me wisdom.
Oh, okay. Sad. 10.
No.
Okay, with the 10, you notice that, yeah, this book, it has. It's not a source of this particular magic, but it is definitely something that it's kind of like the magic, like the book is wrapped in magic, this form of like dark magic or dark energy. um, and with the 10 you can, yeah, with the 10 you can also tell that although it has this dark form of magic, it this book doesn't feel like it is intended to use for this dark magic, in the sense for the spreading of this dark magic.
Okay. So it's not used as a tool or for like.
Yeah, that's what it feels
Yeah.
like this book is not a tool of spreading this magic that it has latched onto itself.
Right. So my point with the divine sense I want to do is that in case this book is opened, if it attracts any sort of like fiends or
Oh,
undead,
you can, yeah, you can tell
I'll
that
be able to tell.
with the
Yeah.
10 arcana, you can tell it's not that kind of a book.
Okay, okay. That's also enough information to me. But I keep that to myself still in case.
And as I look at the book, क्या तुम ready हो? खोलने वाला हूँ मैं इसे.
Hello.
I'm just
हमें-
going to keep my sword ready.
I
खोलो,
put my
खोलो.
hand on top of the skull
Mm-hmm.
and I slightly feel the book vibrating.
The book is not vibrating right now.
Ooh, okay. And I flip it open. What do I do? Actually, before that, do I see anything written on the cover, sides, back, anything?
On the outside of the book, front, back, and the sides, nothing is written. It's just the leather cover, and front पे है वो skull.
Price tag bhi nahi hai. Okay. And I flip the first page open. What do I see?
On the first page, you see in this world there are two types of common languages. One is the spoken common that we are now speaking, which is the English version of Apna world, and then there is the official written common, which is completely English. So in like the official written common language, on the first page inside you see bade letters mein it is written Bhu Kitab, which is BHOKITAAB. And niche it is author Vineet Portfode, Chief Mage.
These fucking names, bro.
Both for
The name. And then I say it out loud. Bhu Kitab. And then the author's name as well. Do I remember any of this? And I...
Yeah, I was going to ask, would I have heard of this author if he's famous?
क्या तुम जानते हो इसके बारे में?
Whoever is trying to think of that, give me history checks.
Yeah, I think I will also, because I've been researching so much about
It will be a different DC for everyone who
Each
is
of us.
trying, depending on
Yeah.
your background.
I am also checking.
Yep. Om Puri, how much did you get?
History में देखो मेरा तो वैसे +4 है. So it's a total of 8.
You have no idea. This is a name you have never read in your textbooks or your studies, never ever heard in your professional life as well. Dhananjay, how much did you get?
12.
with the 12, you do not, the author's name and the chief mage jo likha hai, that doesn't spark any idea, anything in your mind. But just the word Bhu Kitab, it's something that you have kind of read in glancing when you were just as a researching old police files for like certain cases you were working on. Pehle, like, and these are like years old, like thousands of years old case files वगैरह, when you were just referring and stuff, you have come across that word. You don't know what it means, but you haven't come across वो word in any of the recent files. Dinesh, how much did you roll?
जरा DM को टच करने दो for good luck. Oh, it is good luck. It's a 21.
Oh,
Wow.
insane.
Damn. Okay.
All right. So you, since you have studied about Andhakaris, and as a personal level पे motivate होके you have researched stuff, you know what a Bhu Kitab is. You also have heard the name of the author, Vineet Portfode, and the chief mage is basically a position that you have, through your research, understood ki chief mage was basically a position held by the top Andhakari person of the organization of Andhakaris. Not organizations, but group,
Cults.
cult. Yeah. Like that's the main head of that person. And they are always democratically elected. Like legit voting and stuff happen. It's never a power struggle or anything of that sort. And Bhu Kitab is, every chief mage has a Bhu Kitab that they have written, where they have kind of recorded their experiences with Andhakar and the surrounding monsters and creatures that it brings.
Oh, okay.
Chandramukhi, how much?
Chandramukhi.
What did you roll?
I rolled 13 minus 2, 11.
Hey, same.
Amongst Tera
What a plus.
Thieves cut circles, you have heard the term Bhu Kitab idhar udhar aise hi, just like whispers on the wind jaisa, but you don't know what it means. You've also never cared to know unless it was something jo tere interest ka hai for money. But the name definitely is something you've heard in like hushed circles, speakeasy bars, and yahan pe agar just illegal circles mein you have heard this. Criminal circles, not illegal circles.
सुना सुना लग रहा है ये नाम.
Yeah, you guys, तुम लोग को नहीं पता? This is
क्या है ये चीज?
from what I've understood in my research. He's the leader of, it's one of the leaders of the Andhakaris. It's a top position. Those are the people that write these books or the experiences with Andhakar and the work that they've done with it. This is one of them. Vinit.
And
क्या ये अंधकारीज को पहचानने में कोई साइंस है? क्या तुम्हें लगता है ये गांव में और भी रहेंगे अंधकारीज?
Would I know that?
You have never come across an Andhakari, so you have no idea how to identify them. Kitne hai, like general, are they like aisa disguised in public, or do they just
Like I
do
know
their
there's
own
like
thing?
a cult of them.
Yeah, same.
So I'll probably just say that मेरे को इतना नहीं पता कि उनको कैसे ढूंढ सकते हैं, वो कैसे दिखते हैं. मेरे रिसर्च में इतना पता चला था कि it's a cult और हर एक cult के they have a leader. वो leaders अपना एक book लिखते हैं जो ये book है,
but
और इससे
सुना
ज़्यादा
तो
तो
है
मुझे नहीं
नाम.
पता.
before I flip any pages, क्या है ये book में लेकिन?
मुझे इतना आइडिया नहीं है, बट ये बुक में उनके एक्सपीरियंसेस हो गए आई थिंक विद अंधकार, जितना मुझे पता है. तो ये एग्जैक्ट बुक क्या है, आई हैव नो आइडिया.
देखते हैं.
पढ़ लो.
बट दैट्स
देख
ओनली
लेते
वन
हैं.
वे
पढ़
टू
के.
फाइंड आउट.
And then I flip more pages and I keep flipping. What am I
As you flip the first page onto the second page, you see there is a foreword that is written. I'm sending it to you in DMs. You can
Oh.
read it the way you want.
Is it written in common?
Yeah, the official common, yes.
The book is quite close to me, and now I'm reading this out. Andhakar is not darkness or necromancy as commonly understood. It is residual life, a thread left behind when life leaves improperly from the soul. Whenever Andhakar is present, the dead do not rest. Instead, they remain, becoming ghosts bound by emotion, memory, and hunger. This tome catalogues several such manifestations and has the rites and rituals by which they may be released, not destroyed. For it is the duty of an Andhakari to provide peace to the dead.
बाप रे.
So, whatever is haunting Kiran, it is possible that उस मॉन्स्टर के बारे में कुछ चीज़ यहाँ पर भी mentioned हो उस भूत के बारे में.
Yeah, whatever is possessing her is a supernatural force that maybe we can reverse. Surely, if we go through the book, maybe कुछ तो लिखा होगा इसमें.
I keep flipping through the pages to see if I recognize anything in there.
Same. Like if any of the names remind me of any cases that I might have seen.
Butty, since you are flipping through the pages, give me an investigation check. Do it with advantage because you and Dhananjay, both of you are doing this. Also, I would say before you roll, when you are flipping through the pages, you notice that all the pages are blank.
Blank.
But do give me an investigation roll.
That's a 14 and a 4. So 14 plus 6, dirty 20.
Let's go.
Oh, insane.
Nice.
Nice.
All right, so you flip through these pages. At first flip, you're like all the pages are blank. So you just to cross check again, you keep flipping and you end up on one page where you see the heading. It says Chudel, and then there is like more descriptions and stuff of the thing on the page, and I am again DMing that.
Okay. चुड़ैल के बारे में एक पेज है यहाँ पर and help me out here guys. So चुड़ैल forms where Andhakar mixes with betrayal, abandonment or vows broken at death. Often appearing as a woman. Could be Kiran. She lures the living with familiarity and longing. Signs of presence. क्या ये सब मौजूद था उस प्रधान हवेली में? Was there a familiar scent in abandoned places? Was there soft laughter followed by sudden silence? Yes. Laughter की
Laughter तो
आवाजें
थी.
हम सभी को सुनाई दी थी.
Kavita also heard that.
Yes.
When you are also asking about familiar scents, whoever entered from the eastern side of the house, give me a history check. History or intelligence, your preference.
Terrible luck today. I have
How much?
Oh,
7.
Oh,
no. Ooh.
So bad.
You are not sure because you did enter through the window, and for a fraction of a second, it smelled like your favorite porridge that your mother used to make when you were a kid. For a very small fraction of a second, you at उस moment में it did not even register in your mind because you were focusing on the task at hand. But now that Om Puri has read out familiar scents in abandoned places, it kind of triggered in your head. Kind of just faintly you remember that.
So when he asks about the scent thing, I say कि लगा तो था मुझे कुछ तो. लेकिन
Okay. This is
काफी
pretty much ये तो कंफर्म हो चुका है कि वो चुड़ैली थी. आगे
बिल्कुल.
देखते हैं. Things to remember में लिखा है. A Chudel is deadly in short range. Chudel will cast her magic on you that will make you run away from her or just drop dead. और यही चीज हमारे साथ भी हुई थी. We almost dropped dead, did we not?
We did,
They
yeah.
also ran away from us.
Right of release.
Oh,
Chudel needs to be weakened before the ritual. At full strength, no living person can go near them. But ये weaken कैसे करते हैं? Once weakened, ensure Chudel is still and not moving. Light 3 incense and place them near the Chudel. One above the head, one near left hand, one near the right hand. Burn their favorite item from when they were alive. Speak her true name aloud and present the reason of the broken promise. जो कोई आदमी या वस्तु हो सकता है, और अगर कोई वस्तु है तो उसे जलाइए, अगर कोई आदमी है तो उसका खून बहाइए. Pour the ashes over the chudel. For the person, make them bleed over the chudel. Because this signifies atonement for the breach of trust. The chudel should then attain mukti and burn whatever physical form is left of the chudel and bury the ashes near plants and trees. Well, that is the entire. ये तो चीट कोड हो गया. ये तो हमें काफी कुछ पता चल गया कि किरण को कैसे छुड़ाए हम यहाँ पे.
हाँ, but उसको वीक कैसे करें? ये सब तो उसके बाद की चीज है. How do we weaken her? And that also confirms that Kiran is dead, does it not?
I think at this point, I think it is safe to assume that Kiran is dead. जी हाँ. उसका जो भी बचा कुचा फिजिकल फॉर्म है उसे रिचुअल के बाद हमें जलाना पड़ेगा.
वहाँ पर और भी लिखा था कि चुड़ैल तभी बनती है जब बिट्रेयल होता है near the death. That
Yeah.
means we need to find her husband,
प्रकाश
Prakash,
को ढूंढना पड़ेगा.
and whatever happened to the parents. Because only they can tell us कि ये betrayal क्या था. Because she is suffering. And we need
रामू
to put her
काका-
out of her suffering.
कहीं उन्हें तो नहीं पता है इस चीज के बारे में, इसलिए तो नहीं चुप थे.
Perhaps.
It is possible
बात
that
करना
Ramu Kaka
पड़ेगा
knows.
उनसे.
Yes.
I think हमें अभी रामू काका के पास पहले जाना चाहिए before we go to the north gate. और let's finish that matter. I think वो काफी चीजें छुपा रहे हैं मेरे हिसाब से. So we need to sit with him without Kavita. As much as that hurts me.
Is there anything else left in this book for me to like flip through pages and see कुछ?
All the other pages are completely blank.
At least from what I was being told with Divine Sense, अंदर से it is a book only. बाहर से it's wrapped with this energy. And I personally, as player, don't think it's a spell tome or something. You know, like it's a wiki more than a. Yeah, it's like a Pokédex basically. Can't
Pokédex
catch
क्या
Pokemon
चीज़
with
है?
it. अबे साले मैं ऐसा बात करता हूँ, धनंजय ऐसा बात करता है.
Pokédex तो सब मत बोलो भाई. सू हो
डे
जाएगा.
डे डे. Who's that Pokemon?
Nintendo आके सू करेंगे.
किरण
अरे वाह भोसड़ा.
हमें गाली क्यों randomly गाली क्यों दे?
Randomly
Who's that
गाली.
Pokemon?
ना.
It's Amitabh Bachchan and he says.
इसका रील बनेगा. Fuck. You know what? अगर हमने डिसाइड कर लिया कि हम रामू काका से बात करने वाले हैं तो चलिए वापस टैवन की तरफ टैवन और whatever that place was उसकी तरफ चलते हैं.
It was Kavita's alchemy shop.
कविता's alchemy shop कास.
Completely opposite of a tavern.
अरे हमें
खाना खाया तो टैवन.
बिस्तर है, खाना है, तो देखिए आउट स्टेशन
पूछ
विजिट
भी
पर तो
लेंगे।
हम टैवन पे ही चलते हैं.
और कविता को पूछ भी लेंगे उसकी बहन का फेवरेट चीजें क्या है. अभी से ही प्रिपेयर कर लेते हैं. लेकिन कविता से बाद में बात करेंगे, पहले रामू
Yes,
काका से बात
yes.
करते हैं.
Let's speak to Ramu Kaka
कविता
first.
थोड़ी इमोशनली अटैच हुई अपनी बेचारी बहन से.
While we walk back towards Kavita's alchemy shop, I still will hold the book in my hand, or actually no, I'll put it in my jacket and I'm going to ऐसा caress the book, but while walking I'm also going to cast identify, uh, the spell on the
Oh.
book to find out
Nice.
all of its properties, and if there's a spell on it, what the spell is, the name of the spell, if there, yeah, what else do I know? Yeah, basically how to use it and all of that.
All right. So when you cast identify on it, जब भी तुम लोग चल रहे हो, you immediately understand what this book exactly is, and it's basically a um, personal experience based information that was recorded in this book by this author, and it is mainly just a collection of information about the creatures that are born due to Andhakar and how to basically guide them towards mukti or peace. There is no spell on this book, but you do understand that this book, it's also not an ordinary book. Like, this book itself was made with this magic. So uh, the thing you understand is that the way this book works is whenever you are within 120 feet of any of the Andhakar creations or any of the Andhakar monsters, the book starts vibrating and it registers the information, or not registers, basically it kind of, the ink on the pages of that particular monster वो भर जाते, the pages get filled related to that particular monster.
That makes sense. That is how we have the Chudal information then, because technically the book was within.
You're holding it, yeah.
And it starts vibrating when, like, it is within 120 feet of the thing, and
the book
vibration
was
means
vibrating.
that something is being
120 feet.
unlocked in the book.
Oh, okay. And that also, the book was vibrating when I picked it up
Yes.
from the Haveli. Right. Yeah.
वेट उसके दोस्त ने कहा था कि उसके फादर इन लॉ, किरण के फादर इन लॉ ने वो बुक छीनी थी. डज दैट मीन ही वाज द चीफ मेज? हाउ डिड दे हैव द बुक? मे बी.
What is
लेकिन जितना मुझे याद है,
Sorry, go ahead.
जितना मुझे याद है, ये किताब का नाम मैंने काफ़ी पहले भी सुना था, कोई तो केसेस में, हज़ारों साल पहले की केसेस. तो या तो ऐसे किताब बहुत सारे हैं, नहीं तो जिसने ये किताब लिखा है या जिसने चालू किया है, किताब तो काफ़ी पुराना लग रहा है.
Dhananjay, give me intelligence check.
What an intelligent guy.
Also, Chandramukhi, you also give me.
I'm only bronze. 11.
इंटेलिजेंस चेक यू वांट?
Yes,
From
Chandramukhi, you
Chandramukhi?
also. Yes.
Oh no, उसका कुछ तो
लव
minus
अस से.
थोड़ा मारपीट करने कोई लेकर आओ यार.
तू पुलिस है ना, तू तो कर सकता है कभी भी चाहिए तो.
चल मिल मुझे.
Am I tripping? Where intelligence is just वो
ऊपर.
The base stat,
ऊपर
yes.
top वाले
Yeah,
ना.
yeah,
हाँ,
yeah.
okay. I had it.
Minus.
Oh no.
It's 4 minus 2. 2.
2 and 11.
चंद्रमुखी का दिमाग ही 2 plus 2 में ही अटका है. 2 minus 2 में अटका है. बेसिक मैथ्स ही कर पाती है वो.
So yes, Chandramukhi, you are not sure, like, what does that mean? Like, was iska father-in-law he the author, but then the name doesn't add up. So what, like, kya logic hai? Dhananjay, you with that 11, I would also say you, like, the doubt in your head is more to leaning towards कि there are probably multiple books, because जैसे दिनेश ने mention किया, there have been multiple leaders of this group and every leader writes this book. So probably this is from one particular leader and there probably are more books out there. Is what
So
the idea you're leaning into. You're not convinced about it yet.
Okay, so
Makes sense.
up in the air कि शायद हो सकता है जिसने ये किताब लिखा है, लेकिन
But
पता नहीं
you
हमें
do
अभी तक.
raise a fair point, Chandramukhi. Perhaps. What's the father's name?
Prasenjit.
Prasenjit.
Prasenjit is the more evil person, and Kiran's husband is probably just. Fuck, what if
Prakash or
he's one of the
portfolio?
creations? What if he's gone to. What if he's a monster?
The book will let us know if he is one, right? When we
I
go
mean-
go close.
If we are within range, if the book vibrates, then what's his name?
Prakash.
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 Then Prakash, we have to be very careful. Prakash might be a monster that is the creation of the Andhkar too.
I mean, प्रकाश did go वहाँ पे नॉर्दर्न साइड में रहने के लिए. मतलब अगर कोई नॉर्मल इंसान होता, कोई नहीं रहता है वहाँ पे, वो रह रहा है वहाँ पे.
Well, he did live his wife and left. He's already a monster. But
Perhaps
perhaps
Ramu
we
Kaka can help us.
Yes. So
चलो बात करते हैं.
let's go and speak to him. जाके बात करते हैं, निपटा देते हैं ये मामला.
Are we almost there? Like this is all.
Yeah,
walking,
you're
talking.
almost there. I think you are walking, talking. So you're almost there. It is around lunchtime. Not even lunchtime. It's way past lunchtime now. That you guys actually no, it's lunchtime. तुम लोग सिर्फ रिहान से
Yeah.
मिलने गया था.
8 बजे गए थे ना?
हाँ, like 9
अच्छा,
बजे
हाँ.
गए थे and then रिहान से वापस आ रहे हो. It's like 10, not yeah, it's 11ish.
Yeah.
So pre-lunch, brunch time है ये.
Brunch time.
And yeah, you reach Kavita's alchemy shop and you see shop पे Kavita and Ramu Kaka, both of them shop पे, they are like, Kavita is standing behind the counter and Ramu Kaka is arranging stuff like stock ले रहा है या फिर keeping like new stock, placing them on the counters and display shelves and वो सब.
How do we separate them?
I think
asked among ourselves.
मैं जाके कविता से बात कर लेती हूँ. मे बी शी विल बी कंफर्टेबल लड़की से बात करने. मे बी मैं उसको थोड़ा स्पिरिचुअल ज्ञान दे सकती हूँ. बेचारी उसकी बहन का जो रूप देखा था उसने. और तुम लोग जाके रामू काका से बात करो. ध्यान रखना वो पिछले बार भी उससे कुछ बोला नहीं था. मेक श्योर करो कि इस बार वो हर एक इन्फॉर्मेशन दे हमें, है ना?
Fine.
वो तो होने वाला है.
मैं तो निकाल दूंगा वो इन्फॉर्मेशन. इसका प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
और ठीक है, मैं जाती हूँ कविता के पास एंड आई गो
I-
एंड आई
I-
कॉल कविता.
I lean towards Dinesh. तुमने गुड कॉप बैड कॉप सुना है क्या कभी? ये स्ट्रैटेजी सुना है?
क्या तुमने बैड कॉप और वर्स्ट कॉप सुना है?
मैं कोई भी रोल होने तैयार हूँ इस कॉप स्ट्रैटेजी में, लेकिन
ठीक है.
होपफुली
Alright.
लेकिन जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी.
I don't think
चल-
इसकी जरूरत पड़ेगी.
चंद्रमुखी, you approach कविता. वो काउंटर पे है, कुछ ना कुछ उसका काम कर रही है, writing something in like a register or something. Like, she hasn't even noticed तू आई है.
ओके. मैं कविता के पास जाती हूँ और उसके कंधे पे हाथ रख के, कविता हाय,
Hi.
हम मिलके आए तुम्हारे देवर के दोस्त से. और
Oh,
उससे तो
रिहान.
कुछ-
हाँ.
हाँ, रेहान. उसे तो कुछ याद नहीं था, लेकिन अब हम थोड़ा देखेंगे, थोड़ा बैठ के सोचेंगे कि हम क्या कर सकते हैं. लेकिन मुझे बस तुमसे बात करनी थी कि मुझे पता है कितना डिफिकल्ट होगा तुम्हारे लिए अपनी बहन को उस तरीके से देखने, उस हालत में देखने. और I take her hand, I hold her hand and तुम अपनी बहन को याद करो मेरे सामने अभी.
Roll persuasion.
याद
ये
करो,
सब काम सब
याद
छोड़ो.
याद करो.
काम सब छोड़ो, अभी याद
नहीं.
करो.
I would like to rephrase it. तुम अपनी
Okay.
I'll still roll, but तुम
Yeah, yeah.
अपनी पुरानी बहन को बिफोर ये सारा प्रॉब्लम हुआ याद करो. उसकी अच्छी यादें को ताज़ा करो. और and then I hold her hand and I will roll persuasion. 19, that's a 19.
Oh,
Nice.
Nice.
Curse broken.
You जैसे तू उसका हाथ लेती है हाथ में, वो उसकी आंखें बंद करती है and just yeah, she closes her eyes
Yeah.
and हाथ में है. We cut to now. Hey, go ahead. You want to do something else?
Yeah, I was going to
हाँ.
cast Druid Craft, and उसके मन में लड्डू फूटा, but it's just flowers and every plant that she's ever watered, the plants where जो अपनी बहन के साथ वो बचपन में खेलती होगी, it's blooming, it's a very sunny day, and I ask her to calm down, and I assure her that everything will be fine. And then
Roll
you can...
Arcana.
Oh
Just-
no.
Tell me the number and then we'll switch यहाँ पे. It's not a failing thing. Like no result in this is going to fail what you're trying to do.
That one.
14 minus 2, 12.
All right, ठीक है, not a problem. We switch. Remember the 12. We switch to you guys who are probably तुम लोग बाहर ही है शॉप के अब तक.
Yeah.
All right.
जाओ बुलाओ उसे.
या नहीं हम जाते हैं ना उनके पास.
तो ठीक, उन्हें खींच के बाहर तो ले जाना पड़ेगा ना.
Yes. I'll go get him. It's fine. So I'm just gonna go and I'm going to like tap if he's like working on his shoulders.
हाँ, क्या हुआ?
रामू काका, I think हमें बात करनी चाहिए. अकेले.
बोलो.
हम अकेले बात करते हैं आज ये बार.
हम
कुछ-
अकेले ही हैं.
आप okay अगर आप यहाँ पे comfortable हो then I'm just going to like tell them come.
I walk in and I want to. This is so dumb. In the most subtle way, I can say I want to be intimidating without saying anything yet, but with having that presence that he is trapped here with us.
Roll performance.
Oof.
मैं specific
Okay.
एक specific check के लिए रुका था. That's fair enough.
Any chance you wanted intimidation?
What? 14.
14 total.
Yeah, total.
All right, great. Now roll intimidation.
Oof.
Oh,
Okay.
Damn,
Yeah,
DM is
mechanics.
DMing.
Mechanics happening.
14 plus 5, 19.
Oh, great.
Oh, no wonder.
As you're walking towards Ramu Kaka, you realize कि yes, तेरा presence से थोड़ा उसके body language में, facial expression में थोड़ा सा फर्क पड़ रहा है. He is noticing your kind of stride.
I think I will start talking to him as a good cop in this situation. We're like, so, रामू काका, थोड़ा सा I think हाँ notice किया है मैंने जब हम कविता जी से बात कर रहे थे कि आपका body language और आपको थोड़ी खांसी आ रही थी, तो कुछ तो भी I think aligned हल्का सा नहीं है. Maybe there is something जो आपको बोलना है हमको, और आप बोल सकते हो क्योंकि we are the people that want to help everyone out in this situation.
ओ तो बेटा अभी उम्र की वजह से थोड़ी खांसी और घुटने दर्द करते हैं तो हो जाता है कभी कभी.
लेकिन आपकी पकड़ तो काफी मजबूत थी रामू काका.
वो तो मैं जवानी के वक्त वर्कआउट करता था. Give me persuasion as a group.
Oof.
Dhananjay's stride and both of yours questions.
Yeah, okay, it's not nat 20, but yeah, finally good roll.
ठीक है, fair enough. Fair
स्टैंडर्ड्स से
reaction.
लोअर करने पड़ रहे हैं.
Yeah.
21 total.
Nice.
18 वाला.
Me? Oh, it's a 4 total.
टोटल अबे साले. Oh Do you want me to roll as well?
Yeah.
Yeah, group
All
बोला
three
ना.
of you.
Persuasion या
Persuasion.
Persuasion.
oof. That is a 19 plus 4.
Oh damn.
23.
Okay.
Let's go.
23, 21,
4.
and 4.
Just
It's okay.
साथ
हम
में
लोग
लेके
थोड़ा हमने
खींचेगा
थोड़ा
नीचे।
लेके आया.
खींच रहा है मैं नीचे.
All right. So that's like an average of like 16, 17 के आसपास. All right. You can see that he is like उसका थोड़ा सा demeanor change हुआ है. Like it seems like he wants to talk now, but it's like something is not stopping him per se, but it's like he's just not. Actually, not go. Any one of you give me insight.
Look, before we go forward, now, just 1 second. I have something called the tactical mind,
Okay.
which I will spend one of my. No, I don't even have to spend anything. I will use my second wind,
Oof.
Oh.
but instead of getting HP, I'm going to roll a 1d10 and add to my total of 4.
Skill check. Nice.
First rank?
The
Yeah.
total is 8.
Wait, you're adding this to
The previous
four.
insight.
You got 4.
Sorry,
previous-
persuasion. To raise the
Yes.
average.
So the
up.
average has gone from 18 to I think 20, if my math is right.
no, but that's what I was like. That it doesn't
I don't
work.
know. My
Because
end's
you
too
now
bad.
know the result of what the dice roll ka result was. So if you want, you can add it to your insight if you want
Insight,
to. roll
yeah. I
insight
was
now.
gonna say, just add this
Sure.
4.
So are all of us rolling insight or what?
No, one of you, whoever wants to.
I'm not rolling. You can.
Who?
Who's feeling lucky?
I am not.
I mean,
You know what?
Dinesh has the
Go for it.
plus.
Oh, okay. That is and 16 plus
Oh.
2 plus 4.
22.
22.
22.
Ooh. Nice.
Nice. You notice that now he is. Ramu Kaka definitely wants to talk or wants to like just in general speak with you guys. But you can also tell कि his body language is थोड़ा सा ऐसा वो restricted है because of Kavita's presence.
Okay. Then I chime in and I say, Ramu Kaka, do we want to go out? And perhaps you are helping us just around the town. Perhaps you are helping us figure out more things. We can go out together.
He looks at you and like from उसका जो ऐसा एक shabby सा robe पहना है उसने उसके अंदर ऐसा हाथ डालता है वो and एक ऐसा cigarette का पैकेट निकालता है and he's like चलो थोड़ा अभी मैं ब्रेक लेता हूँ एक थोड़ा 5 मिनट का and then he turns back and he's like कविता दीदी मैं थोड़ा आता हूँ बाहर होके and when you are holding hand right तभी by this point like not by this point when Ramu Kaka calls out to her Kavita gets ऐसा distracted थोड़ी सी and बोलते रामू काका कितने बार बोला आपको सिगरेट पीना बंद कर दीजिए कितनी गंदी आदत है आपकी ये एंड रामू काका डजंट लाइक रिस्पॉन्ड जस्ट लाइक एज इफ सुना ही नहीं उसने keeps moving out kind of signaling you guys की
Yeah.
आ जाओ
we
दुकान
follow
के
along.
बाहर
Yeah.
Yeah, and I think we are walking out.
he takes out a
Cigarette.
cigarette lights it
एक और है आपके पास?
क्या मैं आपसे एक बम कर सकता हूँ?
Same question.
बिल्कुल and वो like, he
Three of
opens up the
cigarettes.
box
3 of us.
I'll take one and
Akhil, for RP purposes.
No, it's a different device. It will ruin your
True, if you want to light a cigarette at your home right now.
Oh, 1 second. Uh, so I think I'm just going to take a puff and I'm going to be like, so अब हम बाहर हैं, अब हम कविता जी हमको सुन नहीं सकती, बताइए।
अब मुझे ये नहीं पता कि किरण के साथ क्या हुआ, लेकिन प्रधान फैमिली जो है वो कभी भी थोड़ी से आ, अजीब तो थे। वो हीलर तो थे शहर के, मगर हमेशा ऐसी चीजें खरीदते थे जिसका कुछ हीलिंग के साथ कुछ मतलब है नहीं। और अब आप पूछोगे कि मुझे कैसे पता कि वो क्या खरीदते हैं, क्योंकि मैं कविता दीदी के लिए जाता हूँ मार्केट में सामान खरीदने के लिए। बहुत सालों से मार्केट में जाना हूँ, मेरी पहचान है दुकान वालों से वहां पर। तो ऐसी कभी कभी चीजें सुनाई देती है कि ये प्रधान के घर से चंगादर के विंग्स की ऑर्डर आई है, या फिर कोई पुराना सा मशरूम ऑर्डर किया है। ऐसे 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 चीजें कुछ करते थे जिसका हीलिंग से रिलेटेड तो कुछ सामान है, कुछ कनेक्शन तो है नहीं उसका। तो ये चीज थोड़ी सी अजीब तो लगती है। और फिर अचानक से घर, जो इतना बड़ा घर है उनका, वो छोड़ के भाग जाना, किरण दीदी का भी गायब होना। कविता दीदी को लगता है कि प्रधान फैमिली ने कुछ किया नहीं, उनका कुछ कनेक्शन नहीं है इस चीज के साथ। मगर ये जो चुड़ैल की आप बात कर रहे हैं, ये जो नॉर्थ गेट के यहाँ पर चीजें हो रही है, पता नहीं क्यों, लेकिन प्रधान फैमिली का कुछ ना कुछ तो कनेक्शन लग रहा है इससे। एंड अगेन, इफ एनीवन वांट्स टू गिव मी एन इनसाइट चेक।
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was-
This time, I guess I will.
Go for it.
You would want a really nice roll for the juiciest. That face.
Was that a juicy roll?
Dirty 20.
Ooh, that
Nice.
was a
Whoa.
juicy
Oh.
fucking.
Okay,
Why we?
let's go. Who is doing?
Dhananjay.
Yeah.
No, I did, not Dirty 20.
Oh, nobody else is doing inside. I thought,
Oh,
but he was like,
oh,
मेरे को भी
I
करना
thought
है.
more
Yeah,
people
yeah.
can. Okay, I can.
Do you want to
Why
make it a
not?
group check or just solo?
Solo, but if you like more people want to
Think
skill check
हम
because you
तीन
want a
दोनों
higher
वापस
number,
यही- Yeah.
like I'll allow that.
I will
फिर
also
DC
roll
भी
that.
तो change
But
होगा
average
ना।
नीचे जा सकता है.
DC
नहीं,
भी
average
तो
नहीं
change
है।
होगा।
Let's
हाँ
average.
हाँ ठीक है ठीक है.
This is not average.
Okay.
No, the DC is
Let's
same for everyone.
go.
What?
That
What?
20.
Let's go!
Let's go!
Dirty 20 and clean 20.
And
And in 18.
not
Okay,
bad.
nice.
honestly-
round off करके
Honestly.
20.
हो गया भाई, हम
Honestly-
सब इतना लॉक्ड इन है सिगरेट के साथ.
Dude, it was cigarettes all along.
सुट्टा बड़ी सो गया.
uh, जब रामू काका ये सब बताते हैं, all of these things, धनंजय, you and ओमपुरी, you immediately catch on कि ये कुछ तो, मतलब सारी चीजें नहीं आ रही है बाहर, कुछ तो है जो something feels off. मतलब it feels like हाँ मे भी सारी चीजें बता रहे हैं, but then it's also not something that you don't know, like didn't have a doubt before at least. Like कुछ ऐसा नया या ये नहीं है. With a nat 20, Dinesh, you are 100% sure that Ramu Kaka is hiding something, and also something that is much more, that he believes is much more important and cannot be shared easily with anyone. 100% he's hiding something of that importance. It's something he is hiding.
think in this moment when he shares all of this, and both of them are like giving their own reactions and understanding of जो भी है, and they have their own doubts, I'm sure. I know for sure that he's hiding some very crucial information. I'm just going to like stop. I'm just going to look at him. And I like stop smoking, and I'm going to like say क्या बोलते हैं, to put the smoke off. I'm just going to do it on my forearms, and I'm going to drop the whole friendliness, and I'm going to say, Ramu Kaka, I'm having a very hard time understanding after all of our help that we are trying to give, and you guys have helped us a lot, made sure that we are alive, and I appreciate that both of you, what you Kavita and you have done for us. But you are still hiding something very important, and I know it in my heart. I've been doing this. I've been hunting these monsters for I don't know how long. I've lost my mom to monsters. I'm trying to understand why I lost my mom to this Andhakar or whatever this is, and I'm now very close to finding the truth with what we found. And you still hiding something from us, from me, is not sitting well with me. So please, whatever it is on your mind, tell us so we can all get this over with.
Roll persuasion with advantage. While that happens, we switch to Chandramukhi and Kavita holding hands just after Ramu Kaka went for a smoke break. At that point now, you can see that Kavita is much more calm because of the druid craft that you casted, and she looks at you. Thank you, Chandramukhi. That was very अच्छा लगा.
So with one hand and her other hand on वो first hand, मैं मेरा second hand रख के, I'm like, yeah, anytime. I understand how it feels. कोई भी family member पगला जाता है जब कोई not the best feeling, you know. And then I rub on her hands again. But it's all the good memories जो तुमने बनाए थे उस इंसान के साथ that keep you content कि हाँ even though इतना पागलपन चल रहा है तुम्हारे लाइफ में there were good times. तो you know what, आप आपने मेरी जान बचाई. I mean इन लोगों की भी बचाई, हम सबकी बचाई है. This is the least I can do. तो let's continue this. I'm pretty sure आपको और अच्छा लगेगा. मुझे बताइए, किरण के बारे में बताइए, आपका बचपन के बारे में बताइए, आपकी फेवरेट चीज़ें, किरण की फेवरेट चीज़ें. मे बी जाने से पहले आई वुड लव टू गिव यू समथिंग आपके पसंद का.
मुझे तो बचपन से हमेशा ही फूल, पौधे और पेड़, यही सारी चीज़ें पसंद थी. धीरे धीरे मतलब वही सारी चीज़ों के साथ खेलते खेलते इन सारी चीज़ों में इंटरेस्ट आने लग गया. अल्केमी, पोशन मेकिंग और यही सारी चीज़ें. मेरे लिए तो यही दुकान मेरी पूरी ज़िंदगी है. बचपन से अलग अलग फूलों को मिक्स करके मैं और किरण कलर्स बनाते थे और पेपर पर पेंट करते थे. और मगर किरण थोड़ी अलग थी. वो उसे खिलौने ज़्यादा पसंद थे. उसकी एक लकड़ी की गुड़िया थी जो अभी भी है मेरे पास.
अरे वाह,
मगर
दिखाइए.
वो तो अभी अंदर है,
कोई
घर के
दिक्कत
अंदर.
नहीं,
लेकिन
हम बाद में देख लेंगे, कोई दिक्कत नहीं.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. हाँ, मगर हाँ, वो चीज़ें उसके पास मैं जब ही फिर और हम दोनों बड़े हुए और मैं जब ही अल्केमी सीखना चालू करी बुक्स पढ़ के, किताबें पढ़ के, अ, तभी भी किरण हमेशा खिलौनों के साथ खेलती रहती थी। उसकी गुड़िया बढ़ने लगी, लेकिन वो एक जो लकड़ी की गुड़िया थी जो उसके पास बचपन से थी, वो हमेशा से उसकी पसंदीदा थी। और जब उसकी शादी हुई और जब वो अ, घर छोड़कर जा रही थी, तब तब उसने मुझे वो सौंपी थी।
हाँ,
वही एक चीज उसकी याद बनकर रह गई है।
मे बी मैं आपको एक और छोटी प्यारी गुड़िया, जो ताकि दोनों वुडन मतलब आप दोनों की एक एक गुड़िया हो सकती है, एंड दोस टू वुडन डॉल्स वुड बी सिस्टर्स ऑफ ईच अदर। मे बी मैं आपको ऐसा कुछ बना के दे सकती हूँ, आई मीन। एंड आई ग्रैब a piece of wood, yeah, anything that's lying around, and I show it to her and I'm like, yeah, यही इसी से मैं बना के मैं देना चाहूंगी आपको।
आप
एंड
बनाएंगी?
हाँ, मुझे आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट बहुत पसंद है, एंड आई रिमूव art and craft बोला है ना, I remove my like forgery kit, but उसमें से सिर्फ paper and the ink and
नाइस।
these tools में से कुछ कुछ चीजें just depict कि हाँ, like arts and crafts kind of girl I am. And आइए ना हम आप चाय, can I make some tea for you?
हाँ बिल्कुल, लेकिन अभी तो काम का समय, मुझे दुकान संभालना है, लेकिन
आप
अ,
आप संभालिए, आप मुझे बता दो कहाँ पे सामान रखा है, जैसे भी, एंड मैं बना सकती हूँ आपके लिए।
रोल परसुएशन।
What is my persuasion? All right. You. It's 12. 9 plus 3, 12.
Oh, okay.
नाइस, नॉट बैड।
But
शी लुक्स एट यू, कविता लुक्स एट यू एंड सेज, ओह हाँ बिल्कुल, मतलब हाँ वो भी कर सकते हैं। मतलब किचन तो अंदर ही है। वो शी पॉइंट्स टुवर्ड्स जो दरवाजा है उसके पीछे, दैट हेड्स इनटू द हाउस, पीछे साइड। किचन में अगर आप जाएंगी तो चाय पत्ती, दूध और शक्कर, सारी सारी सामने ही चीज़ें हैं, बट तो वहीं पर मिल जाएंगी आपको।
ठीक है, मैं एक काम करती हूँ, आप यहीं पे रुकिए, आपके सामने ही मैं आराम से बैठ के बना सकती हूँ, and I like quickly with those sticks itself like light like a campfire thingy, and I tell her कि मैं 2 मिनट में अंदर से चाय पत्ती और ये सब लेके आती हूँ, and I go inside her house. Do I spot any doll? Like I'm looking for a doll, a wooden
गिव
doll.
मी इन्वेस्टिगेशन चेक।
अरे भाई,
Oh no.
ओह नो।
क्या पता
ऑल
अच्छा हो
इंट
सकता
रोल्स मेरे से करा रहे हैं भाई।
है।
सब में -2 है। How does it even, guys? मतलब how, क्या कैसे -1 है मेरा? Because I
Oh,
got
no.
1 and -2, like we're negative on the scale.
Wait, you roll a 1?
I roll a 1.
Oh no.
Chandramukhi is just panicking. किधर है, किधर है, किधर है, किधर है, किधर है, किधर है?
ब्रो ओके, एक मिनट, आई एम जस्ट चेकिंग समथिंग।
You take 25
What to
damage.
do when -1?
Oh my god.
I think nat 1 and nat 20 are just what they are, right? Like,
Yeah,
Like the
Nat 1
worst
is the
possible.
Yeah,
worst
it's like
outcome.
critical.
Yeah.
yeah.
I feel like in this moment it's such a critical failure that Chandramukhi is so happy to make tea for her that she's just forgotten कि she had to look for a wooden doll, और वो सामान लेके आ जाती है बाहर, and I'm just
ADHD हो गया चंद्रमुखी को.
Unless.
ऑलराइट, so with the nat 1,
First
तूने
nat one,
लाइक चंद्रमुखी ने सिर्फ वो रूम देखा है जहाँ पे तुम लोग थे, वहां से सीधा बाहर निकले। सो ये घर पे लेआउट लाइक क्या कहाँ रखा है, क्या खींचने पे क्या गिरेगा, व्हाट all stuff. Like अंदर पे you can see things are just stacked, like they're not organized. थोड़े बस यहाँ ऊपर नीचे रखी है चीजें. So जैसे तू किचन छोड़ के बाकी रूम्स में थोड़ा बहुत ऐसा ढूंढने लगती है, you pull something and ऐसा 3-4 wooden boxes fall down loudly.
Oh.
And
Okay.
after a few seconds you hear किरण का आवाज, किरण क्या बोल रहा हूँ, कविता का आवाज आता है.
Chandra lost her shit. फट
कविता
गई है
का
चंद्रमुखी की.
Crucial mistake.
कविता का आवाज आता है फ्रॉम द शॉप डायरेक्शन सेइंग, चंद्रमुखी जी सब कुछ ठीक है या मैं रुको मैं आती हूँ, कुछ गिरा क्या अंदर? एंड यू हियर हर फुटस्टेप्स कमिंग इन. यू हैव वन एक्शन टू डू एनीथिंग दैट यू वांट टू डू और दैट यू आर थिंकिंग ऑफ डूइंग.
वुडन बॉक्सेस है ना ये सब के सब.
हाँ.
I see wood. I'm going to as many as wooden items that I can take or boxes that I can chupa off. I am going to try to do that before she comes in.
वेयर आर यू हाइडिंग
And,
इट? लाइक ऐसे स्टफ करके इधर उधर वैसा.
हाँ मेरा जो वो hood है and
Oh,
like my
oh
whole
no,
outfit
these are
is
like
there.
big boxes.
Oh, huge
Like
boxes.
not huge, but like these big, like ऐसा.
Yeah. Okay. So I have a question. मैं
हाँ.
खोल के देखूं, that's one action.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Would you say that we
I'm going
see all
to-
of this or hear all of this happening?
You see Kavita heading inside.
And we heard the box wala sound as well?
You give me perception, all three of you.
I still have to do the persuasion ना, वो उसको लेके.
हाँ.
Nah, but
उसके
okay,
पहले
but
वाला ये.
I would I see any box that looks like it might contain something ऐसे पुराना or something.
Give me perception.
Oh, okay.
Damn.
Oh no,
I have a 14 for perception.
Kiran ji.
I also have 14, but you remove the one from it, a 4.
I got 14 plus 5, 19.
Oh, insane. Nice. Yeah, as you look at these boxes, ऐसा फटाफट just scanning them कि कुछ है क्या important वगैरह. And ये सब कैसे? These are like boxes, मतलब crates. So it's like ऐसा wooden planks से बनाया हुआ. So you can see through them.
Right.
अंदर पे. And inside one of the boxes, you see what looks like a wooden doll.
Okay, so I वो जो box है, just one box, I put it in the very like loopy dress that I have, like one of the
हाँ.
loops. उसमें I put it in, and
Alright.
I start crying.
Start
crying.
Okay.
Now,
Surprise.
while that happens,
Yeah.
we head out. Do the persuasion roll, Dinesh.
Well, let's go.
Also, I got 11 in that perception.
Okay, हाँ.
तीनों का जवाब.
Who all was क्या था वो perception का? 14, 4 and
If
11.
we hear the
14.
box, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so with the 14, Om Puri, you definitely heard something fall inside. It was faint, but it felt like something fell inside. And then you saw Kavita head inside.
I'm going to cast because I know what's going on here. Like I've through this corner of my eyes, I've seen Chandramukhi head in, and there was a big noise, and then now Kavita is heading in. Just off the like chance ki maybe I can give Chandramukhi like a some extra time. I'm going to cast Mage Hand towards the alchemy wala place, and as she turns to go towards the house, I'm going to knock over one of the boxes or something over there, so that's right behind her where she initially stood, and instantly make that Mage Hand disappear as well.
Do an Arcana roll.
Oh no. That's a 4 plus
Oh,
8, 12.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
12. You yeah, you cast the mage hand. It goes towards like one of the like closest things, and it knocks it over. It falls down. You see, Kavita has already entered the house by this time, but she peeks out and kind of gives a call out to Ramu Kaka, saying, रामू काका आपको बताया था स्टॉक नया स्टॉक है अच्छे से रखिए अभी देखो एक बॉटल गिर के टूट गया एंड वाइल सेइंग दैट शी इज लाइक coming out towards the counter, not towards the thing, but like coming out towards the counter. When that happens, uh, Chandramukhi in the like अंदर पे you hear कविता का वॉइस फ्रॉम द आउटसाइड सेइंग चंद्रमुखी जी सॉरी बाहर रामू काका थोड़ा कुछ गड़बड़ कर रहे हैं स्टॉक में आप एक काम कीजिए आप बाहर आ जाइए जो भी रहेगा गिरा हुआ रहेगा मैं देख लूंगी बाद में कुछ ठीक है कुछ ये नहीं एंड हर टोन इज थोड़ा सा ऐसा कि लाइक फेंचो क्या सब गड़बड़ हो रहा है
हाँ
लाइक ओके आई जस्ट हैंडल द शॉप फॉर नाउ तुम लोग सब बाहर आ
Yeah.
लाइक जस्ट वैसा
हाँ
नाउ रोल द परसुएशन दिनेश
Oh, okay, very important rules.
with advantage था
First, yeah, I know. First is 5.
oh no
Ah, please.
किरण का नाम ले no
Ah,
मिशन फेल्ड.
It's fine. 10 plus 2, 12.
क्या ये
हाँ,
made a roll?
फेंचो तुम लोग 12 पे ऐसा सैड
11 12 11 12 वही होते बैठ रहा है भाई.
अरे
You know what?
बीस
No, wait.
nat
I'm going to use my second wind. So I can
Ah.
only use twice.
yes
Uh,
in a day
3 plus d10.
Walk away. It's bad.
so it is 12 right now.
yes
Please be 10. Please be 10. It is not 10, it is 5. 17.
oh not bad
okay nice
Yeah.
with the 17 you see that the change in like तेरे पर्सनालिटी में जो चेंज आता है यू सी रामू काका पे भी उसका इफेक्ट पड़ता है एंड दो सिगरेट हाथ पे बुझाया एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट बट एट द सेम टाइम यू ऑल्सो सी रामू काका में थोड़ा सा लाइक ऐसा एक डिमीनर में डिफरेंस वेयर नाउ ही इज लाइक super serious like you got super serious he also got super serious and he he looks at you and says वैसे बहुत सारी चीजें ऐसी है बेटा जो मैं अभी बता नहीं सकता लेकिन इतना बता सकता हूं कि मैं भी तुम्हारी तरह अंधकार के खिलाफ काम कर रहा हूं ये बात कविता दीदी को नहीं पता ये बात किसी को भी नहीं पता प्रेरणा में मगर अभी के लिए मैं बस इतना ही बता सकता हूं तुम्हें कि मैं तुम्हारे ही साइड पर हूं मैं तुम्हारे ही साथ हूं
Do we just use the previous insight checks to like feel like yes, is he like
what was the earlier result
2020 and 18 या कुछ
oh yeah oh तेरा nat 20 था ना तभी
हाँ.
yeah with the last nat 20 वाला insight जो था you notice that yes he is definitely 100% telling the truth and he 100% also believes that for now this is the maximum information that he can share and he is on your side he is also working on the same mission against Andhakar. I would also say he when with that persuasion he also says another line where says सिर्फ भूत और चुड़ैल ही अंधकार के क्रिएशन नहीं है और भी चीजें हैं इस इलाके में जो जिसका हमें ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा
I take a step back and I say I believe you. and I tell both of them that I've worked in this space long enough to know when someone's lying and when someone's not. And he is not. But you need to understand, Ramu Kaka, that we need to have each other's backs and get to the bottom of this. The sooner we do it, the better, because undercar is spreading and it's spreading fast. So whenever you are ready to help us totally with all the information, I don't want to force this on you, but whenever it is that you are ready, you let us know.
Role.
I want to add to what he's saying.
Yes.
I will say whenever का तो पता नहीं, लेकिन जितना जल्दी बोल सकते हो उतना अच्छा होगा, क्योंकि मुझे भी पता नहीं मैं कब तक यहाँ रहूँगा और हमको जल्दी से निपटाना है ये सब. तो हम रुक रहे हैं. जब भी वो बता सकते हो आप बता देना.
Roll persuasion with advantage. Whoever wants to, either of you guys.
I have more
Neither
stuff
of
to
us.
add.
मेरा है +3
Advantage
है
एक ही
मेरा.
है.
तू कर.
लेकिन रोल्स कैसा है मेरा?
Are you guys rolling persuasion?
Yeah,
Yes.
with advantage.
With advantage.
Alright, guys, can we take 2
First
minutes
is-
of break before you roll? Just 2 minutes.
Okay, I did one
Pause
roll.
करता
I'll
हूँ.
wait for the other.
I'll pause the recording.
First roll is 19.
Nice.
Second roll 15. Okay, 19 plus 3.
Nice.
22
Solid.
persuasion.
Nice.
this
Beautiful. As you guys, जैसे तुम लोग बोलते हो कि like we also have things at stake and we also care about these things. तो बता दो whatever you want to share or whatever you
Whenever.
have
Time
and
is of the
whenever you
essence.
have.
Yeah.
You see him mentioning Ramu Gaga goes, जैसे मैंने बताया कि अंधकार सिर्फ उन भूतों और उन राक्षसों से कुछ कनेक्टेड नहीं है. अंधकार आता है कुछ और चीजों से. And he looks towards Dinesh, you, saying, नरक खंबा, ये नाम कभी सुना है? ये चीज का नाम कभी सुना है? Give, if you haven't, I will, yeah, give me a history check. If anyone else apart from you two also wants to do that, do it.
I'd
Like
like
to
While
say the
this
name again?
Narak Khamba,
Narakamba.
I
while
shall
this
roll.
is happening, you guys roll, hold on to it or roll later. We switch back to Chandramukhi where you are crying inside there, but Kavita ने बोला कि it's okay, like तू बस बाहर आ जा अभी.
And Chandramukhi realizes कि कविता अंदर नहीं आ रही है. Quickly wipes her tear. She's like, rolls her eyes, and instead of taking the box, she opens the box, takes the doll, keeps it inside her dress, and quickly goes and grabs the chai patti, sugar, and milk, and she lights the campfire and druidcraft use करके चाय फटाक से बना देती है so that it looks like I did not waste time trying to take the doll or move जो भी
Ooh.
फालतू चीज है. So the tea is almost about to get ready by the time she's coming, and I'm like ready with it.
Nice. Yeah, she's not in here. Kavita is not coming in anyway. She's
Yeah.
just standing out only. So then do you take the tea फिर बाहर?
हाँ, I'm making the tea outside only.
Oh,
Campfire
अच्छा,
पे,
okay.
the original OG way.
हाँ,
Yeah.
got it. Yeah, Kavita looks at you and says, "Oh, thank you so much. आप नहीं ले रहे चाय?"
नहीं वो मैं बिना शुगर का लेती हूँ ना, तो आपके लिए शुगर डालने से पहले मैंने निकाल के रख ली थी एंड आई गेट माय कप बाजू से.
Oh, okay. ठीक है. And you see, she also then like walks out of the counter and जहाँ पे वो एक you did not hear this, but पहले when तू आती है शॉप में, you see जहाँ पे वो पोशन का बॉटल एक घिरा हुआ है नीचे कांच का. Kavita goes, takes a jhadu and starts cleaning. And while she is there, she also like calls out to Ramu Kaka saying, "Ramu Kaka, कितनी देर ब्रेक लोगे? ये कांच कौन साफ करेगा? अभी मुझे ही साफ करनी पड़ रही है."
एंड आई टेल हर कि आप बैठो बैठो, मैं उन्हें बुला के लाती हूँ. इतना टाइम क्यों लग रहा है? ये उनका काम है, आप मत करो. आप बैठ जाओ, आप चाय पियो. मैं फटाक से जाके भाग के एंड आई एम वेरी स्टेल्दी एंड वो सब. सो आई क्विकली रन टुवर्ड्स दीज गाइज एंड भागते वक्त पीछे मुड़ के उसको एक ऐसे टिक कि आई एम गोइंग सुपर फास्ट एंड देन आई
When she's running, ऐसा ding 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 आवाज आता है.
yeah, like it's just trying to prove her that I'm not here to waste her time and
Yeah.
full on people pleasing.
All right. While you guys are talking with Ramu Kaka, suddenly Chandramukhi just appears.
So, and I have tea in my hand and I ask her, so what's the tea? क्या बताया इन्होंने?
बेटी, मैं अभी भी यही खड़ा हूँ.
हाँ, मैं आपको ही देख के बोल रही हूँ और आपको बुला रही हैं. जाओ, काम नहीं करना है क्या आपको?
रुकिए चंद्रमुखी, this is an important conversation and he is on our side.
ओह, आप भी ढूंढ रहे हो खजाना?
He is on our side, Chandramukhi, not yours.
He also wants to fight the Andhakar.
But that's a secret. तो बताना मत अपना कविता दीदी को.
हाँ, वो तो मैं नहीं बताऊंगी. बट और ज्यादा देर तुम लोग इधर रुके, रामू काका, अगर आप और थोड़ा देर इधर रुके तो वो वहां पे वो खुद इधर आ जाएंगे और उन्हें पता चल जाएगा. तो जल्दी से बातें रैप करो और चलो.
हाँ, तो जैसे मैं बोल रहा था कि नरक खंबा, ये एक खंबा है जिससे अंधकार इस दुनिया में फैल रहा है. और इस पूरे देश में 3 खंबे हैं जो हजारों साल पहले जब अंधकार को मिटा दिया गया था इस जगह से, तब ये तीनों खंबे बंद हो गए थे. मगर अभी ऐसा दिख रहा है कि कोई इंसान या कोई लोग पूरे देश में जमा होकर इन खंभों को एक्टिवेट कर रहे हैं. एंड अगर जो मैंने अब तक जानकारी इकट्ठा की है वो सच है, तो प्रधान हवेली में एक खंबा है शायद.
That makes a lot of sense. I rolled a
Drop
10 by
my
the way
cigarette
for
tub.
history.
With the 10, you've never read about Narakhamba at all.
15 on history.
Oh, you also haven't heard of Narakhamba.
Electrician is like
Can I
electrician.
also roll now? Now that
Oh,
I'm
now
here?
that you heard Narakhamba for the
Yeah,
first
yeah.
time, yes.
Let's go -2.
Again, intelligence roll, lads. -2.
वैसे
it is a
पूछी,
nat
I thought
20.
she has like fucking
हाँ मेरे को भी लगा.
रोल करने मजा आता है
कोई
ना
बात नहीं, nat 20 आएगा.
किरण दीदी.
wrong name.
तो। ओह
It's
देख,
not
किरण
20.
दीदी
but
लेट्स
No
गो
way,
किरण
no
दीदी एक्चुअली
way.
हेल्प.
Holy
it's
shit.
8.
मैंने भी बोला था भाई.
She's part of Andhkar, guys.
Holy
Crazy
shit, crazy.
roll. Nice.
Insane.
All right.
But it's -2, so.
नहीं,
No,
नहीं,
I
doesn't
don't think
matter.
it
Nat 20
doesn't
पे
matter.
फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
Yeah.
Nat 20 पे it's Nat 20. Yeah, so with the Nat 20, when like जैसे ही तू आती है, जैसे रामू का मेंशन करते हैं नरक खंबा, somewhere in your ऐसा brain में something clicks where you have heard ऐसा किसी speakeasy bar में where you were sitting at one table and बाजू वाला टेबल पे कुछ बातें चालू थी where they were talking about समथिंग अबाउट नरक खंबा कि एक नरक खंबा है जिसको एक्टिवेट करना है बिकॉज ये है वो है. उनकी बातें ऐसी चल रही थी एज इफ वो लोग का प्लान है टू डू समथिंग विद द नरक खंबा. यू ऑल्सो लुक्ड एट देम. दे वर वेयरिंग ऐसा रोब्स, वेरी हैवी थिक रोब्स, लाइक कंप्लीटली ऐसा ब्राउन कलर, डार्क ब्राउन कलर, ऑलमोस्ट ब्लैकिश robes, and they were discussing about activating a certain नरक खंबा. And that thing तूने तभी भी जब भी सुना था, चंद्रमुखी ने जब भी तभी भी सुना था, it sounded weird कि like क्या बात कर रहे खंबा वंबा. But now when Ramu Kaka says that, that entire conversation comes back to your head and everything kind of makes sense, whatever Ramu Kaka is saying. कि like probably you have had an encounter with Andhakaris, not encounter, but you've been around Andhakaris before, and probably the ones who are like core deep into the Khamba activation policy.
Khab Panchayat with a different meaning.
That's all I know. Ki,
Yes.
Khamba activation policy. Cap.
As I hear Ramu Kaka say that my pupils dilate, and I'm like, सुना है मैंने. मैं गई थी एक बार में, मैं एक बार गई थी और वहाँ पे दो लोग बात कर रहे थे, खंबे को चालू करना है ऐसे कुछ तो बातें कर रहे थे, लेकिन मैं बहुत चढ़ी हुई थी तो मैंने ज़्यादा सुना नहीं. बट हाँ, मेरे ख्याल से मैंने सुना है इस चीज के बारे में. मैंने देखा भी है ऐसे लोगों को.
अंधकारी को.
अंधकारी, हाँ.
You've met
कैसे दिखते थे?
Andhakaris then.
के बाजू में बैठी हूँ मैं. हाँ.
चेहरा कैसा था उनका, याद क्या पहने थे उन लोग, कुछ उनका कुछ था क्या कुछ?
उन्होंने बस थिक रोब्स पहने थे काले रंग के. Can I add the detail?
Robes brown the, by the way.
Honestly, with the Nat 20, I will allow you to add like one or two more details that you feel you like would like to add.
Make
About
it,
their
make it
appearance.
funny.
हाँ,
अपाहिज
कुछ
थे.
भी.
उनके हाथ में खम्बे जैसा कुछ.
I mean, not bad.
I was gonna say कि they had a book, but only if you allow.
Yeah, with the Nat 20, as I said.
हाँ, उनके हाथों में किताबें थी और एक हाथ में कुछ तो पकड़े हुए थे डंडे जैसा, क्या पता वो ही खंबा हो.
I look towards the policeman. डंडा तो इसके हाथ में भी है.
I get what you like when you look at me and at the डंडा. I'm like, डंडा से सिर्फ सब डंडे वाले अंधकार नहीं है अब.
नहीं, इसके जैसा नहीं था, दूसरा अलग था वो.
ओ, बड़ा था इससे.
इसके जैसा. I drop my cigarette there. चलो लगता है अभी समय होने वाला है, रामू काका का गाली मिलने वाली है अभी. बाद में बात करते फिर से.
तो रामू काका, आपका क्या प्लान है फिर अभी? अब आप भी इस चीज को फिगर आउट करने का ट्राई कर रहे हो. और अब
मगर
हमें इतना सब इंफॉर्मेशन पता है. And while saying this, I look at you all and basically trying to ask and point towards the book that Om Puri
The
has,
info that we
and
have.
just yeah, just like a slight eyebrow ऐसे ऊपर कि do we tell him? And I want you all to just give me some sort of hint.
I would, as in character, I would want to tell him because he's been absolutely transparent with me about his intentions. So I
I
will
would
look
want to tell him
towards.
later, like not when this conversation about to end.
I would give a smart,
You know, like I wouldn't
nod.
want Kavita to come and we have a book in front of her hand. Like,
Yeah.
Huh,
so
not
Yeah.
necessarily.
Okay. So, all right.
Huh.
Cool.
so I will do like you know I'll do a hand gesture of like wait, basically.
Also, when Chandramukhi asks him कि आपका क्या plan है वगैरह, like what to do next वाला फंडा, he goes, मैं रुका हूँ कि और अब तक तो मैं अकेले यहाँ पे काम कर रहा था, अब तुम भी हो, मगर मैं मेरे साथियों के लिए भी रुका हूँ कि उनसे कुछ और इंफॉर्मेशन या कुछ और सपोर्ट आ जाए.
और इस-
कौन सा थी?
He looks towards you ऐसा आँख straight up, and he says, भूत पेट्रोल का नाम सुना है? And that is where we end the episode.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
It already exists.
Oh
Oh my
damn.
god, what the
हम तो
fuck?
कॉपी कैट्स हैं.
हम तो बाद में आए.
Dude,
I mean, it's like Power Rangers, you know.
I was fully
The
prepared in my
concept
head
existed.
to tell the party ki, oh, guys, if we're gonna work together, we need a name. Let's
Yeah.
come up with Bhoot Patrol.